Hey everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. Today I want to talk to you guys about Motovlogging 101, the basics and the fundamentals. Stick around. Okay, Motovlogging 101. When I think about this right off the start, first thing that I think of is let's define our terms, right? I know probably most of you guys watching the video are probably more familiar with motovlogging than I am, but maybe somebody isn't. So how do we define motovlogging? It could be a number of different ways from what I've seen it. It could be, filming a motorcycle ride and laying down an audio track over it and just enjoying your ride to share with others. It could be doing a destination ride, going somewhere, recording it, that type of thing. It could be what we're going to be doing for the next couple of minutes, and that's riding around, taking a look at the scenery and talking about a particular subject. I'm a new motovlogger. I've been doing this for about 2 months now, and I think I've learned some of the things to do and some of the things not to do, and really wanted to share that information with some of the new guys who are starting out. Maybe you're thinking about starting a channel. So one of the first things that I would think of when it comes to this is you definitely want to do your research. Find out what type of videos that you want to create. And if you're coming into this completely fresh, like I was, just takes a lot of research to find out the technology and the type of videos and how you want to brand yourself. All those things I think need to be researched. At least it would definitely make the transition easier into starting up your YouTube channel. At least it was for me. And I also think about as far as the investment. There's definitely a financial investment when it comes to motovlogging. And, my recommendation would be don't go crazy overboard right at the start. You don't need to. You don't need to invest in 4 or 5 cameras and all this fancy lighting equipment and all these other things. I really don't think you need it. I'll give you an example. When I first started doing this, I had one GoPro. I bought a GoPro Hero. I researched how to lock it down on the helmet and how to mount it to the helmet and all those type of things. Figured out how to do that. And then as I did a couple of videos and I'm watching other guys, I'm thinking, I really need a second GoPro. So I bought a second GoPro and have slowly increased the hardware that I use for my GoPros, and have slowly increased the software that I use for my GoPros. I now use Filmora 9 to edit my videos, and 2 GoPro Hero 8s. So that has to be a consideration, is the financial investment, because it can get expensive. It can be an expensive hobby if you want to dump a lot of money into it. It doesn't have to be, but it certainly can be. Another thing that I think about when it comes to the investment is the investment of time that it takes. Are you going to have time to go out and get material and go on motorcycle rides and come home and edit the videos and upload the videos? Sometimes some of these videos take many hours for me to put together. Some of them I can do kind of quick, but some of them take a long time. And are you in a position and a place in your life where you have that time and you can commit it to your YouTube channel? And you need to think about, okay, how often do I want to upload videos? Do I want to do 1 a week? Do I want to do 2 a week? Do I want to do 1 a month? My wife and I, for the most part, we're empty nesters. Our kids are grown and out of the house and can handle things on their own. So we have a little bit of extra time. I have a little bit of extra time and that type of thing. So I can devote it to YouTube. another piece of advice I would give you is, go easy on yourself, right? I mean, here's a reality check for all of us, not just you, but me, is you don't know everything, and you're not going to know everything. It's going to take a while to learn how to use the cameras and how to use your editing software and how GoPro works and algorithms and statistics and all that type of thing. And it's okay. It's okay to make mistakes and to learn as you go. I mean, that's how we become better people, right? And we become better content creators and all those things. So it's okay to learn as you go. Another recommendation I would have for you is, don't expect, I hope this works for you, but I wouldn't expect it. Don't expect to upload your first video and you become a YouTube sensation overnight, that you're going to get 10,000 subscribers and your video is going to go viral. I would definitely not count on that happening. It would be wonderful if it did for you, and it would be awesome if it did for me as well, but chances are that's probably not going to happen. Also, when it comes to content, I would find 3 or 4 people, 3 or 4 channels that you really enjoy, that you think are doing it right, and I would watch them and study them and take notes if you have to, and make notes of the things that you like and things that you don't like. Now, I would not limit yourself to those 4 channels, right? Watch many people within the motovlogging community. Watch as many as you can. Take in as much knowledge as you can. But I usually have 3 or 4 channels that I go to on a regular basis just to see, okay, what are these guys doing? How can I put my own spin on it, and how can I learn from them? And then everybody else, I pick up a lot of things to do that are awesome from other motovloggers, but also try to learn. Maybe I see something and I say, I don't necessarily think I want to do that for my channel. So then I'll learn the things not to do, even, and that's okay. Like I said, we learn and we become better and we move on. But I don't mind giving shout outs either. Those 3 or 4 channels that I'm thinking of that I go to would have to be, let's see, there's John Maxwell. Just about everybody follows him, but he does some really great content. There's Motosarge. I really like Motosarge. He does some fantastic stuff. There's Her Two Wheels. I think Jess from Her Two Wheels does some great things as well. So find you somebody you like and study what they do. And probably finally, guys, I would say without a doubt, get involved in the motovlogging community. The community of motovloggers on YouTube is straight up awesome. I mean, I hope someday I get to meet the majority of these guys face to face, because they have been so helpful and so instrumental in helping me get traction for my channel. I don't know if I could have come to the point where I am without them. And like I said, I don't have a ton of subscribers, but man, so kudos to the motovlogging community. You guys are incredible. So I would recommend, get involved in some live streams if you can. Make your appearance and make your name and your channel known. Comment on people's videos, like people's videos, help them out, and in turn, they'll help you out. Now, I'm not saying do sub for sub on your channel. Don't do that. I just don't think that's the right way to grow a channel, a sub for sub. But if there's someone that you enjoy their content and they're doing great stuff out there, subscribe to them. And maybe they'll subscribe to you as well once they check your channel out. But so I'm really hoping that the people that have subscribed to my channel enjoy what I do, and not just because I've subscribed to them. And probably one of the main things that I can think of, in all seriousness, is have fun doing this. It's supposed to be a hobby for most of us. I would probably say the vast majority of us aren't earning a penny for doing this. We do it because we love it, and we do it because it's fun. So have fun. Well, thank you guys very much for taking time to watch this video. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. So if you would, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Like and comment. If you can do all those things for me, I promise I'll get back to you. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again soon.